thanks for coming back for another synthetic wig review. So this review is sponsored by Sam's Beauty. So thank you so much, Sam's, for sending over this new unit. Now let's jump right into this new synthetic wig. Alright, you guys, so this time I have a Freetress unit. This one is called Viva, and this one I feel like is the big sister to Valentino, which I really loved. If you want to check out that tutorial, it is on my channel, and I'll leave it in the information bar down below. I also have a playlist that's called Freetress Wigs, and you can always look at that playlist if you want to see all the Freetress wigs that I've reviewed in the past. So this one is color FF427, and this wig is called Viva. Right away, I definitely know that I love the color. It's really pretty. So this is what the stock card looks like. There is no lace to cut off on this unit, which is awesome. The parting space is nice and long. It's 5 inches long. You do get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. If you're curious about the unit that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review on this one. I do have a review on this one on my channel, so definitely click back, or I'll leave a link right here, but make sure you finish watching this review first. Actually, this unit is very similar to Valentino. This one has waves, and Valentino had like body curls. I love this hair color. It has like the streaks in the front, but it's not too chunky. I love that. I love the hair color on this unit. It's very pretty. It's like a color number 30. I really like it. I love the blend on this. Very pretty. And the blend does go all the way throughout the unit. I'm going to go ahead and give it a brush. Ooh, so cute. And this unit is so affordable. It's because it doesn't have any lace that you need to cut. But it's perfect because it's a middle part, and you really don't need a whole lot of lace for a middle part. And for my ladies who really don't like to cut off lace, like, this is perfect. Now you can add a little bit of powder into your part. I have that Ariana Grande and Nicki Minaj song stuck in my head. I've been listening to the Nicki album, and that song, I got a pet with your name on it. With your name, I got a kiss with your name on it. Come on, Nicki Minaj. So yeah, that song is just like literally going through my head. But this is so cute. It looks cute with my little jacket that I'm rocking today. I like this wig, you guys. Tell me what you guys think. I love it. I think she's really cute. I'm going to turn around so you can see it from all sides. The length is perfect. It's very playful, very light and breezy. It's a lightweight wig, a beginner-friendly wig. I love it. Just like Valentino, there's really no downsides to this unit. I mean, the only thing is possibly the line of demarcation, but you know when you get a wig that doesn't have any lace to cut off, that is going to be a concern. Obviously, you could just, you know, grab a couple of baby hairs. Easy breezy, easy squeezy, lemon squeezy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are checking out my website, www.JessTheDragoness.com. I will be offering you guys a whole bunch of new things on there. Blogs, merch, t-shirts, all types of stuff like that. So make sure you're checking out JessTheDragoness.com. Make sure you're following me on all my social media at JessTheDragoness. And make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mo. $1,000 sheets, waiting for you on some $1,000 sheets.